So we are going to go ahead and start her locks. In here is flaxseed gel with a little shea butter melted in. I don't know, curly hair has been doing so much shedding since she got it curl or pressed. I feel like her hair was literally fried. Wow. Curls haven't reverted yet. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do hers in a twist because the twists actually look more decent than the comb coils. Stand up or sit up on your knees so they can see your hair. They can't see your hair.
Taking my book back.
Okay, it just took a minute, but your curls came back. I didn't think they was gonna come back, but she did use heat protector in her hair. It was just all the shedding. It could have been because I didn't have her ends clipped. I didn't let her get her ends clipped because I knew I was gonna be locking her hair anyway, and I needed those ends. I do see some heat damage. If you look down here, these ends did not revert back. But I'm not gonna worry about it because I'm locking it, so it's okay. What I do is just comb, straighten it out, take my finger. I take my finger and I turn this way, Curly, and just split the hair in half. And I've just been giving it a twist. When I feel the ends get, turn your head towards the
window.
Yep. Turn towards the window so they can see your hair. I just straighten it out and I keep twisting. And then when I get about this much left, I go ahead and I add a little more mix.
I want to put it on my hair too, Mom. Can I put on my hair?
Mm-mm.
Can I put on yours?
Nope. Put your hand down. Put your hand down so they can see.
Fine.
She got like so much hair coming out. This stuff is messy, y'all. I won't continue. The only reason why I'm using this flaxseed in her hair now is because she gonna need this protein on her hair after getting the straightened. But I basically either finger twist or you can use the comb and comb curl. And I just let it go and it's going to curl up. Turn your head. Turn your head. Just like the rest of it. Like that. All done with Mimi hair. Turn around slowly so they can see it. I'm just gonna let this stay in for about an hour and a half. Then I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna see if I can get her to sleep with a bonnet. Normally she don't sleep with a bonnet. Turn all the way around, Curly. I'm not sure how many clips she have. I mean how many locks she have. Maybe when she make it to the 1 year mark, I will do a lock count. But what I do know is I tried to do them bigger this time so she don't have to sit so long to get it retwisted because she doesn't do good at sitting. But I had to make sure they were small enough that I could still do a lot of stuff with it. So this pack has 80 clips in there. Yes. And that's how many she got left. So that'll give you an idea about how many locks. We do know she got less than 100. Let's take a closer look again so we can see the size. I don't want to move her head too much because it might hurt. Do it hurt, Mama?
No.
Okay. Yeah. I'll show you again when I take it out.